How you can mask sensitive information in Screen Studio. So this is very simple tutorial. Open your project and your recording. And for example, I want to go from the start and select the section where you want to mask some information. And at the top, you can see the mask option. Simply click it and choose Add Sensitive Data Mask. Now the sensitive data are gonna be in your timeline from here to here, and you can simply customize it like you want. So grab it from your screen and you can make it bigger and make it smaller. For example, I'm gonna mask my name and also choose the starting range and the ending range. If you have the sensitive data selected in your timeline, you can click here in this menu bar to focus the timeline on the mask start. So it's gonna move my timeline to the start and you can see if it's covering the sensitive data. I like this feature because if you, for example, add a zoom here, the mask gonna be fixed to that area. As you can see, I'm zooming in, zooming out, and it's fixed to my sensitive data. So that's basically how you can do it. One disadvantage I found that I cannot add multiple sensitive data masks. So if I want, for example, mask 2 options here, I cannot do that. If you know how you can do it in Screen Studio, let me know. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.